harnessing the mind, elevating legal and professional success. The dignitaries on the dais, Sister Justice Nanda, Brother Justice Lakshminarayan, Justice Ishwarya ji, Kuldeep Didi, Vidya Didi, Jayanti Didi, and Mr. B.S. Prasad, and all the spiritual souls who are present in this auditorium. Namaste. The topic today, elevating legal success and personal success, is such a tricky word. If we look at it, it touches materialistic success. If we again deeply look into it, introspect, it is again a spiritual success. It is very difficult to address and convince lawyers. Even I came from the bar. We know the mindset of lawyers. कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है तो उसका नाम एडवोकेट है. Because they are the masters of their case, masters of their work, and they don't compromise. He may win a case, but still he says, "Aur kuch." So that kind of command a lawyer has on his brief, there is no word of satisfaction in the lawyer's dictionary. The jurists here, and since it's a jurist conference, we treat lawyers as they are the first step to reach the heights, to call them as eminent jurist. And I don't think I have to say anything on this to enlighten the minds of the senior advocates and the jurists present. But I feel it appropriate to focus on the law students and the budding emerging lawyers present here. Elevating legal success. Friends, we think legal success, once you win a case and collect handful package from your client and go on filing cases and having a lucrative practice and running your office, that is legal success. Fine, to the extent of materialistic life, you have to run your dukan and roti kapda or makan, all these things are there, one needs to. But over a period of time, if you can observe, start losing cases, someone else is winning the cases, what is your mental status? And if you compare with yourself, with a senior advocate, no doubt he loses a case, but what is his mental status? Even after coming out from the court hall, he will simply hand over the docket wakalat to the colleague, and happily he will be talking to other colleagues, friends, or going for a cup of tea, or running towards the other court hall to attend a case. How is it possible? To attain this state of mind, it takes years together for a senior. And even if you want to follow the same footsteps, you will attain the same after 25, 30 years, depends. So we have to think for ourselves, are we ready to get across all these things by waiting for 20, 30 long years? The In today's speed world, fast world, smart world, instant, we say, no, we are not ready. We want to learn everything fast, fast, fast. And the shortcut method is, friends, improving your skills and thoughts, mind, by taking a small turn towards spirituality, meditation. Yes, it helps. Again, the root, this morning I said, is Bhagavan's words given to the universe by way of Bhagavad Gita. You just do your duty, don't worry about the results. And one has to be Sthita Prajna. When we win a case or when we lose a case, it is your daily routine job, filing of case as a lawyer, arguing a case, winning case, losing case. Then why are we supposed to celebrate winning a case or feel low when losing a case? If we are losing a case, the other side counsel is winning a case. That balance of winning and losing is maintained. And the biggest addiction, according to me, people may say addiction is tobacco or something else, alcohol and all those things, or money, earning. But to me, success is the biggest addiction for a human being. One will go mad if at all, if he is not looking at success, or if he is facing failure. They lose their balance. And that is where elevating of legal success comes into play. What is this elevation? Elevate your legal success through spirituality and meditation. Become Sthita Prajna, and one can comfortably get over this. Personal success. Here again, I may say so. Apart from the profession, one has his own personal life, personal time, which includes himself, family, friends, the society, social responsibility, social obligations. And there again, what is this success in personal life? So every individual human being, we come across pros and cons and hurdles, good time, bad time in our life. So if we feel ourselves low when a tide is against us, one must know how to face the sea, how to face a tide, like going under the water and jumping off the water, that technique. And this will help an individual, what I personally feel, to identify your near and dear, your true friends. And when you know that who is your true friend, your near and dear, you can always share your feelings and your personal success with them. Difficult times do not come, they are all passing clouds. But identifying your inbuilt quality and your responsibility towards the society and your family, friends, everyone, that will enhance the happiness. Materialistic lifestyle and personal success is different, but again, improving our personality, our thinking, our mindset day by day increases the personality and personal success. As I was saying regarding legal success, spirituality will help us in putting more and more efforts. Today, a lawyer may win a case by putting 70% of the effort. He's, he won, but tomorrow that may not be possible. So, to face the situation and to improve his skills, one has to see that from 70% he must increase to 80%, then 90 and 100, so on. So, how any person would measure the personal success? Here, obviously, professional success, fine, and personal success, happiness. After completing the entire work for the day, how many of us can sleep saying that there is nothing in my mind, I am not carrying any burden, I will have a peaceful sleep. Whether you get a sleep or not, that is again your biological problem. But mental problem, are you having a disturbed sleep or no sleep at all because something is eating away? So when one person can adopt this peace through spirituality and meditation, then personal success is not that far. In my career as a lawyer, I recollect so many senior advocates who gave their advices, suggestions, and from whom I learned so many things. Today it is a time to recollect a great personality, Justice Subhashan Reddy. He used to call me out of affection as a, my name used to appear as a T.A. Goud advocate. So he used to call me T for Toddy, A for Arak Goud, because most of my matters from my senior Ishwaryaji were towards excise cases. So he used to call me Toddy Arak Goud, come here. So while I was spending some lighter moments with him, he said, one day in his office, residence office. So in the morning, after completing his work, he went inside to get fresh and he has to go to court. So after entering inside, his attender came and told him, sir, one client came and, okay, ask him to sit in the office. I'll see him there. And he has a another balcony sort of the thing, uh, area where he noticed a client came there and because he was there brushing, he said, yes. He said, sir, I came from so and so district. Yes, yes, I know. Come on, what is the matter? Here is a small brief. So while brushing, he just had a cursory glance of papers and said, TK, I'll attend to your case. And happily, uh, he said, it's a CRP small matter. Okay, pay me 1,500. And he had only little money, he gave and he left. Then Mr. Subhash Reddy went inside, got fresh, and went and sat in his chamber. He has to go to court as a lawyer. There he finds a client sitting and says, sir, you have to take up my case. What is the brief? He has gone through the papers. Just now I have seen the papers. So, sir, he is my opposition lawyer. Sir, I am here before you as I am a very old client of yours. Yes, you are very old client of mine than him. Correct. Sir, I'll pay you as much as you say. I'll pay you 25,000 rupees. Sorry, I gave him word. I have to take up his case. You may. Please go. Sir, I will not go to any other lawyer. I will not have filed case if you don't take up. Then what is to be done? Let me talk to that client. And this hefty fees client, he said, whatever you say, I will take it as a judgment. Then at that juncture, he summoned both the clients and he settled the matter, and happily both of them left his residence. So, these certain things, if we adopt them from the seniors, they work as mantras for our success. And as a judge of Telangana, out of 2,36,000 pendency cases, I alone disposed of 40% of the cases single-handedly, and the disposal was 87,957 cases. No appeals. And after going through Tripura, 65% of the cases pending there, I again disposed of. And out of 4,500 cases, the appeals filed in High Court are 22, and in Supreme Court, out of these 91,000 cases of mine, are only 19. I shared this moment, this word with all of you. And 19 appeals or 30 appeals of 92,000, I feel it is a success. If we add all these things as a legal success, then professional success, personal success, how elevation comes? Friends, elevation comes, again going back to what Bhagavan Bhagavad Gita said, Sthita Prajna, try to follow. Yes, it's my daily routine job of deciding cases. I am deciding it. What is the number? Immaterial. Whether any appeals filed? Immaterial. So, because we have to address a gathering, so we need to have some statistics, and at the click of the mouse, the statistic is available, and I am sharing this with you. And going further, the services what we render, I was also sharing with you on personal success. The services what we shared. After going to Tripura, dear friends, the pendency of 12 years came down to latest 2024 criminal appeals, first appeals, second appeals. If you come and ask, you give us 2 years old cases, sorry, we don't have. And when I went to Tripura, it was, though it was 13 years old, High Court bifurcated from Guwahati, Assam and established. Cases were being filed under Guwahati High Court rules. As a lawyer, you know, they are all not maintainable. Then when I came to know that, I say, chal raha hai, ho raha hai, chal raha hai. These things cannot happen in just 2 months' time. Fortunately, I became the Chief Justice acting for 6 months period. And during that period, I took the advantage of doing so many service activities, awareness programs, and everything. First time in the country, as a judge, I prepared a script, concept, and directed a documentary movie of 18 minutes for Legal Services Authority, which covered issues on POXO, child marriages, dowry, and drugs. And further conducted several medical camps and created awareness programs and opened a dispensary in the High Court. And surprisingly, when I went there, 6,500 was the salary of my supporting staff. As usual, we say, what is your spouse doing? How many children you have? He started feeling shy. The other guy said, साहब इनका अभी शादी नहीं हुआ. अरे उम्र क्या है? 45 years sir. क्यों? साहब हमारा ये पकड़ पे क्या मिलेगा? क्या बचेगा? क्या शादी करेगा? Then immediately in 1-2 months, I said, Registrar General, nothing doing. We have to do something. 6,500 was enhanced to 11,000 rupees in 2 months. And why all these things? Why not we make regularize? Sir, permission from government. Likho government, hum baat karega. Done. All staff were regularized and they are drawing around 30,000 rupees. They come to me and, sir, this is my wedding card. ये हमारा शादी है. Sir, हम हमारा बीवी गांव में रहता है बच्चे के साथ. हम यहाँ नौकरी करता है. now अभी बीवी को साथ में लेकर है. परिवार गृहस्थी यहीं कर रहा है. See, this is the success what we can really share. So, coming to all these things, one needs to elevate himself, as I was saying, on personality, personal elevation, and also on the legal side. This is an opportunity given by Brahma Kumaris to say a few words in this Jurist conference. And dear friends, this is not an end. अभी पिक्चर बाकी है क्योंकि ब्रह्मा कुमारी जिंदा है. Thank you very much.